How to use Samsung Pay at ATM. 1. To access Samsung Pay on your Samsung Galaxy phone, locate the blue icon that displays the words Pay in the white letters and tap on it. 2. Choose your debit card from the options available in your Samsung Pay digital wallet by swiping through them, and then tap on the one you wish to use. 3. To confirm your identity, either enter your Samsung Pay PIN or use biometric authentication. Follow the prompt on the screen to enter your PIN. Scan your fingerprint or use facial recognition. 4. Place your phone near the contactless ATM symbol and tap it to initiate the transaction. The ATM may require you to enter a PIN for a security purpose, in which case you should enter your debit card PIN instead of the PIN used to unlock your phone. Please note that the steps may vary depending on the bank and their specific security protocols. 5. Once your identity has been verified, you can proceed with your transaction. This includes withdrawing fundamentally, checking your account balance, and carrying out other tasks just as you would with a physical debit card.